I feel like it's been forever since we've been to the skate park. Like, I mean, a very long time. So I'm kind of excited. Today, while we're at the skate park, the plans are just to skate the giveaway board that we have for the month of January. I wish there was 2 boards for this month, but sadly I was not able to do the second one because the local skate shop that I was going to go to film the giveaway board, basically, they never called me back. They never gave me permission to film in their store, so that kind of sucks, and that means that I might have to postpone that one until the month of February so I can make sure that it's okay to film. If I'm not able to, I know that I can go to Oklahoma City and I can go to a local skate shop up there. I would just prefer to support a community that's local where I'm at here. So if I get to do it, awesome. If I don't, sorry. But pretty much today the plans are just to skate that giveaway board. We're gonna probably skate the bowl a lot. We'll see what else we film. I really don't know. There's kind of a few people here, so that might limit me on what I can film because I don't want to get in their way and I don't want to be that annoying YouTuber or anything. So we'll just see how the night plays out. I've also got my personal board that I made that looks like that. So I'll be testing this board out, see if it's any good. What I might do, since I'm not giving away a second board, I'll give these wheels away for this month. So anybody that's watching this video will get this board, and then somebody else will get these wheels here. Just the wheels. I'm taking the bearings and getting a new set of wheels. So we're giving away these and this whole deck right here that we're gonna skate in today's video. Just leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you gotta do. Well, that's enough rambling, so let's stop playing with all these boards down here and let's go play with them up there and have fun skating them, if we can. Already I can tell this board needs bearings, but it's not bad. The bowl looks a lot different than the last time we've been here. Kind of like that little dude up there. I don't know. Alright, I know this board, the wheels are pretty tight. You need a little bit of wiggle room. I loosened these up earlier, but I still have to loosen up these, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Oh, I lost my tool. In case you didn't know either, it's freezing cold right now. And it's supposed to get 20 degrees. So, yeah, that's gonna be nice. Alright, it's time to drop in on a 8-inch board. Cheapest board on Amazon. See how it goes. I'm a little nervous. I feel like I should drop it on my board first, but we'll just try it. If I fall, I fall. Oh. It's a little slippery. Okay, so soft wheels, they grip when you don't want them to, and they catch the board right here. So, you know, I fell, but that's okay. Attempt number 2. Let's see if I can at least pump through the bowl. Wow, that hurts. It's so cold. Okay, so what I'm learning is the trucks aren't turning. So when I go to turn, it's not doing that and just throws me off the board. Which means that I'm doing this for nothing and getting hurt for nothing. So instead of dropping in and doing that, we're gonna go up here. All right, let's go again. Whee! Whee! Okay. Whee! So normally when it comes to pumping up here is pretty easy. Again, these bearings definitely need to be replaced, and I would replace the wheels as well. Actually, I would replace the bearings, the wheels, and the trucks. The deck feels pretty good so far. It feels like it's, I would say it would pop evenly or pop like a normal board. So deck itself is good. But everything else, 100%. If you win this board, replace it. It's not bad. Like, it's smooth, but it's slow. Switching to my regular skateboard. I haven't skated this in a while. It's kind of loose right now. I have to figure out how this one feels too. Instantly, so much faster. Okay, so note to self, my tail feels flat, so that feels weird to pop, which means that I'm getting no pop when it comes to my tricks. Not bad, but not good either. So, note to self when I make other boards, make sure I have more concave so it's not as flat here. But that was pretty good. It rolled well, turned well, really smooth. Now it's time to try Big Bertha here. Trucks need to be adjusted. They're locking to one side. Oh, this is gonna suck. If these trucks lock to one side, I'm gonna fall exactly like I did on the first board because they're still new, but let's try it. Ah, the wheels are so smooth. I don't like it. I need to slide. Let's try it again here. Yep. I don't know if you can tell or hear that, but it grips. But does it pop? It's okay. Little baby Ollie. Ah, so grippy. Overall, I like how this board feels. I do like how much wider it is for the bowl. I have a really wide foot placement. My bearing's still great. But, same thing with the other board. It's way too grippy, and I don't need that in a bowl. On another note, it's kind of cool looking. I haven't scratched it yet. Might do that tonight. We'll see. Now that I'm done with the bowl, I'm going to play with this little incline and just basically ollie into it and see which board does better? Question mark? I don't know. We'll test my board out. Just do a baby ollie if I can anyway. Alright, let's do that again. But fix my shoelace. That didn't even pop. That doesn't count. That didn't pop either. See, that's what I'm talking about with a flat tail. You can't really pop it. So we'll try one of the other boards and see if I can actually pop into it. We'll skate. Giveaway board. It's so light for a cheap little board. Oh, it's so weird. I can't turn. Alright, let's try this. Again, I'm going so slow. Still made it in, it counts. Kickflip it, maybe? Nope. I don't even want to try to shove into that. That sounds scary on this board. Woo! Sloppy. The deck feels great, but everything else, I'm sorry, I don't like. Thank you, Go Next, for sponsoring this video or sponsoring this board, but this needs to change in my personal opinion. This board, again, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try it. I feel like if this board were to mix with my other board, my Dead Astronaut board, I think the wheels would make this board perfect. So after I try this, I'm gonna swap the wheels onto this one and see how this one works out, because this one feels great, just the wheels are not my cup of tea. Yeah, that feels so smooth. Oh, that felt good. I tried. Okay, we got everything swapped over. The wheels are exactly how I like them, so hopefully this turns out better than before. Okay, instantly feels 100 times better. That's all it takes, just wheels. Woo! That was heavy. That was terrible. There we go, that's cleaner. counts. So I thought the wheels helped. Now I don't think they help. I think the board is just too wide for my liking. Again, I skated an 8.25. This is like a 9-inch board. I don't know if I can do it. Might have to go back to my other board, or go get an actual pro deck and try that again. This one feels too wide. This one feels too flat on the tail, so I can't pop it right. And then this one feels okay, but everything there is terrible. So I don't know what to do. Since I'm having trouble skating the giveaway board and all of my boards, what I'm gonna do is just attempt to try to do every trick that I can on the giveaway board without being too exhausted before I have to go. I only have a short period of time left. The GoPro is dead, so we're just gonna film on this camera and just see how it goes. Sorry this isn't as crazy as I thought it would be, but at least I got clips of me falling, so that's nice. Something positive to look for, I guess. Not really for me, but for y'all. Let's just try to do as many tricks as we can on this, and if we can't do anything on it, we'll just try as many tricks on one of my other boards. But apparently, I can't skate right now. Okay, I think that's it for this board. Yep, I'm done. I can't skate any of them. I thought I could, but I can't. So what I'm gonna do moving forwards is probably grab the wheels and trucks off of that, change the bushings, get a new deck completely that's a pro deck, so I don't have to worry about it being flat here. I don't have to worry about it being 9 inches that way, and I don't have to worry about having cheap trucks, bearings, and wheels. I like the setup, just not how wide everything is. Let's play the fun game of how I'm gonna get all this down that hill without falling. Think I can do it? I think I can do it. Easy way to latch your boards together right there. Okay. Will I die? Let's find out. Hopefully not, because that's gonna suck. Whee! Hey look, I didn't die. I'll be honest, I'm kind of disappointed in my lack of ability to skate today, so I apologize. It did not turn out anything like I thought it would. I did fall a few times, so that kind of sucked. But I hope it made for good content for you guys. Regardless, I'm really excited that we are giving away that board. One, because I don't have any room for it and I can't skate it personally, but it is still a great deck. To whoever wins the board, what I recommend doing is upgrading the bearings, the wheels, and the trucks. So I 100% recommend doing that. Based off of the video alone, I don't know if you could tell, I don't know if you could really see how the board was acting, but just that alone is going to change the board completely. And the deck itself, I think the deck feels great. It feels fine. It's a little small for myself, but to any beginner out there, it's going to be really, really good for you. So really excited to whoever wins it. And like I said, I am going to give away those wheels as well, the purple ones, because they are way too soft for me and way too grippy. So like I said early in the video, make sure you leave a like, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel. That way you can enter all of my giveaways. So we're gonna go ahead and give away one complete and a set of wheels, since I was not able to give away a local skate shop skateboard. So again, sorry about that. Hopefully next month we'll be able to give away a local deck or a local complete, but this month we were not able to do so. Regardless guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you took away anything from this video. Just go out there, have fun, skate for about an hour. That's what I did today. Try not to get hurt, try not to fall as much as I did, but go have fun and go skate. I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.